The first person we want to be happy and pleased with our services is that resident in the property, because ultimately they drive the bus on if we're going to come back or not.
Today, we're talking about the operator era in SFR, why execution matters more than ever, and what separates great vendors from average vendors. Welcome to the show, Deanna Alfredo.
There's a lot of moving pieces. It's not going to always go right. Like when I find the problem, I'm going to fix that problem, and I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do moving forward to prevent it. I have to set the standard as the leader. I set the tone. If I'm super happy, I'm super engaged, positive. When it gets to my manager, it's at 90%. And when it gets to the team, it's at 80%. In our industry, with residents and clients and people, we service people. Technology should never replace that.